Hey guys, as one of y'all requested what makeup I was wearing in my hairstyle video, so that wasn't a kind of makeup, but my signature makeup, you can call it as. So here I am just showcasing what I had applied on that day, and I like to just use these products and something similar to these to my daily makeup routine, like when I'm not really into makeup. And yeah, as you saw, I applied my moisturizer, then the primer, then over here I am applying a dark circle concealer. This is a must because we are not gonna go with any heavy base. As you saw just now, I was holding my most favorite BB cream. So yeah, here I'm applying it with my fingers only. So you don't need any tools, anything for this particular makeup. So after I'm done blending, I will just take a tiny bit of it one more time, and I will apply this only under my eyes because I'm not gonna apply any concealer because this is a daytime look, you guys, and you can wear it to anywhere and it won't crease, it won't give you bad effects, or it won't come off anyhow. So yeah, here I'm just setting all of that with a loose powder. You can take any powder you have, even if you have a compact powder you can use that, but do set all of this in place with a powder. Then I'm gonna do my brows. I have taken this Etude Houses pencil. This pencil does not do much for you, so I like to keep it very simple with my brows on daily routine, and I just make it very natural looking. As it is, I have very thick brows. If you don't have, you can definitely take your time and make your brows more precise, but I like to do it very light handedly, as you can see over here. So I'm just filling any sparse area, and that's all. Then comes my favorite thing, which is this cream blush by Maybelline. I think this product has been discontinued, but you can use any pink blush or peach blush or whatever you like according to your preference. But I like to use it on all over my cheeks, my jawline, my nose, and where not. I use it like everywhere. And also I like to use it near my nose like that for that natural looking effect. Yes, if you want this effect too, you can apply the blush. If you don't like it, you can just skip this part. And after this I will take some similar blush like this pink one. This is not something you should be using the particular brand. You should use whatever you have. You can just include any pink peach blush which you like according to your preference again. And I just like to set all of that blush in place with this powder blush. Then comes the highlighter. You can use any highlighter you have again, but do not go overboard with it. I like to use a lot of highlighter. I know it's a lot of highlight for daily wear, but I don't mind, so I apply this much of highlighter only. And if you want, you can just apply this much or leave it just subtle. And also I just highlight my inner corners and brow bone a tiny bit with the same highlighter so that it looks very nice and blingy. And here I'm just curling my lashes with a lash curler, and after this I'll be applying a good coat of mascara because we are not going to go with any falsies. So I have taken this Flower Beauty mascara. You should be using a mascara which is very good, which will give volume to your lashes, which will give length to your lashes, because we are not gonna go with any falsies. And then I'll be taking this Key Beauty's lip pencil, Oh, it is not sharpened. I always forget to sharpen my eyeliners and lip liners. So yeah, here it is, and I will just fill in my all the lips like with this lip liner, because I like to do it like that. It just keeps your lipstick long lasting, and you can leave it like this as well. If you don't want to go with any other lipstick on the top of it, you can leave it as it is, but I like to top it up with a little bit of nude lipstick. So here I have applied this N Colors lipstick, and yeah, here is the final result. I just love doing this makeup, like this is my holy grail and my signature look. So if you like this video guys, do give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that anytime in future I post a new video, you get a notification. And yeah, I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.